Welcome guys, Creamball back again with another reaction video to Little Mix Wasabi LM5 Tour Madrid. So I'll check out this and see what the video from Salute Perrier is me. So I'll link our description, our video channel in the description so you can check out the original video on our channel. So let's begin.
So former X Factor winners Little Mix have become Millennial Stars made a statement. Feminist empowerment. Movement, yes, cinema, feminist. Bitch! If you know me, you don't have to about this girl. They're untouched right now.
Oh, they must show reaction videos. Oh crap!
I'm so happy that these girls exist.
Yeah.
Talking about loving your body, jiggle all this weight like that. Oh my god,
They must show reaction videos.
positive impact on young girls every day, right?
The only person that was outraged was Piers Morgan.
That's crazy. Suppose one of my reaction actually end up in one of them videos. That's gonna be crazy.
Viewers, slam the ladies, comparing their outfits to strippers. Little Mix's outfits doing nothing for the feminist movement there.
Like I don't have anything bad or negative to say. It's about empowerment.
Yeah. And then
Clearly looks fabulous.
Yo, I love that first part there, bro. Honest to God. Uh-oh. Me like, yo, me say me like how the girl them suit all we kind of match. And when me realize say Leanne, where Leanne there? Where's Leanne? Leanne, oh, carrying a yellow. Oh my face, bitch. Big that night toffee. And that it. Yo, but I love the first part about lit about it. Night toffee. You, baby, you. You, baby, you. And the night. This day. My face. Yo. Yo, the crowd them actually know all of the song them, you know. Yo, they kill it, bro. I got the interaction video to Wasabi Live Tour Madrid 2019. You see me? But I like how them put in the YouTubers reaction video in them before the actual performance start. Really like that, you see me? I like how them do that. And to the person them who talk about Little Mix, them not put good image for girls, them are naked on stage. Dude, it's a costume. Costume is meant to wear. Alright, if you ever said about Little Mix, what you know say about Caribbean culture? Carnival. Carnival is literally like just underwear, yeah, wear. So that means if you have a problem with Little Mix on stage wearing that, you have a problem with Caribbean culture in general. You see me? So it's an introduction video. Peace out.